What's the meaning of approbation? Approbation. Approbation.
Approbation. Approbation. The term approbation refers to the act of approving or expressing praise for someone or something. It can also refer to the official approval of a decision or action. When someone receives approbation, they are being recognized for their positive qualities or actions and may feel an increased sense of self-worth or satisfaction. Approbation can be given in various settings, such as in the workplace, academia, or personal relationships, and is often seen as an important form of recognition and validation.